Hi, it's Joe Sample here. This is Quizlet tied into Bitsboard Take Two. Let me get started here with Quizlet itself, which I find for me is quite helpful with my intermediate students. Um, what just going to start up on now is my little kind of advocacy kind of online lessons. And so here I've logged in, and I've only got one set started. So I thought this is a perfect one to get started with the webinar here. So here I've got what kind of hearing loss terms do I have. As I create sets, this is where I click. I won't get into the whole creating, etc., because it's fairly self-explanatory once you get on. Quizlet is a free site. If you pay for the teacher one, I think it gets rid of the ads, but I find I did that 1 year and I didn't really notice that much difference. The key thing here is whatever I put into the cards can then be printed off in small, large, whether it's index cards or just in table format. New thing about Quizlet is they are now allowing you to put in pictures, and I think for an extra $15 there's a bigger base of pictures, and I haven't quite figured out how to add in pictures yet for when there isn't one of a picture that kind of ties in, so that's of another time. But the gist here is if I pick scatter here, and here I am with my little game. The gist of it is here is unilateral, and if I go around and find out, does this one match? Permanent damage? No, unilateral here. When it goes green, it grays out. So now here, if I go over to here and I open up my Quizlet here, because I was in it before, how do I go back? You can see I can do the same kind of thing. I pull in my match, start the game, and it's the same kind of thing here. So if I wanted to do unilateral here, oops, I'm sorry, I'm using the computer to click. So there, I should use my finger, unilateral, and one ear. So in order to do this little webinar, I'm using something called Reflector to put up my iPhone, and Screen-O-Matic to record all this, if anyone's so interested. Oh, look at there. Emily, Reed, and Justine have birthdays today. Isn't that nice? Goodbye. So that's the gist there, as it can go into Quizlet. But the whole tie-in now is Bitsboard, and I'm hoping, I didn't log out. I should have logged out. Bitsboard is a free app to begin with. I did upgrade to the $4.99 just to show you some of the free things. If I just go, say, to action words, and I come down and I'm matching up, and you can see it, if I try and put that there, it won't go. And then it all matches up. So now, and then the next group comes on, but if I want to go back, what I hope to do here is if I want to add a board, let's say I go to here, and you can see here I can import from Quizlet. So I'm going to click on that, and this is the one I'm going to put in what kind of hearing loss, import, and actually it's in twice now because as I've done it already to use with students, but now here it is here again, but so I'll have to figure out how to delete that second one. But you can see here there's all these different kind of games. You do need pictures for some of them, and that's if I go to here, I'm going to match up. I can see I'm missing one. So here you can see my bilateral, my two ears. and then my moderate loss. And I didn't have a picture yet for sensory neural, but you can see it kind of goes in there, and then the next crew come up. So anyway, I've used up my 5 minutes that Tamara gave me. She said just a 5-minute webinar, so hopefully that's been helpful. Talk to you later. Bye.